Lisey from KAJ Kids, where there'll be songs, videos, and baking, like I said before. Today I'm going to be making one of my favorite recipes. It tastes so good, so fun to make, and it's so easy to mess up. No joking. So when you're making meringue cookies, follow my tips and advice to make the perfect meringue cookie. So first, I cleaned the outside bowl and put lemon juice on it to make sure there is no fat or anything in it. And an easy way to separate your egg whites from your egg yolks is put 3 eggs in a bowl, use your hand and separate it and let all the egg whites run into your bowl. Make sure there is no trace of yolk in there or your meringue isn't going to turn out right. So now I'm going to add a fourth teaspoon of salt into your clumped up, and this is when I'm gonna start adding in my sugar. A cup of powdered sugar. I'm gonna do a cup and a half. Actually, if you want to add more sugar because it'll stabilize your meringue cookie a little more. Turn that off. It has very soft peaks, very soft peaks. So now I'm going to add. Actually, don't want to add your sugar too late, because it's not going to fully incorporate. And I use powdered sugar because powdered sugar is a lot more thin and nice and granulated sugar. Or if you want to use super fine sugar, just put some granulated sugar in a food processor and pick up some fine sugar. All right, I'm slowly adding my sugar. And if it doesn't get there all the way, just take a little, and keep going. Just add that in. So now my peaks are mostly stiff, and I'm going to add my vanilla. As you can see, it's super glossy and nice. And I'm going to add my vanilla now, and just keep mixing. So I piped most of my meringue cookies, and I don't have it, but so squeeze your smaller or bigger piping tip, start from the bottom, squeeze up. And if your meringue cookies are looking soupy, that means you did not add enough sugar, or you added the sugar too quickly and it became soupy. So there is really no fix to that. So you will just have soupy meringue. So you could try using your soupy meringue in something else besides meringue cookies if it didn't work out for you. And if you're not seeing the lines on it, it's because you didn't add enough sugar. That's happened to me almost every time. But I finally found that you need to use more sugar than less sugar. So now I'm just gonna bake these for an hour at 170 degrees.